When you sprint, it creates a higher workload on your heart, which means higher blood flow is needed to the heart muscle itself. But if an artery is restricted by atherosclerosis plaque, a thick, sticky buildup inside the vessel walls, that vital blood supply can't get through. Now, under extreme stress, this plaque can actually rupture, physically tearing open the inside of the artery. Sensing an injury, your body immediately forms a blood clot to try and heal the rupture. It thinks it's helping to patch the wound, but unfortunately, this completely blocks the narrow artery, causing a heart attack as the muscle cells rapidly begin to die off. This sudden starvation triggers an intense, crushing chest pain that is so severe, it can instantly drop you to the floor. So, to save the heart muscle, doctors insert a long, flexible catheter into the body and thread it all the way up into the heart. This device is carrying a deflated balloon and a tiny metal mesh tube, called a stent, navigating it right into the center of the blockage. Once perfectly positioned, the balloon is inflated, forcefully expanding the stent to crush the clot against the artery walls. The rigid metal scaffolding of the stent locks the artery open, preventing it from collapsing again. Then the balloon is removed and life-saving blood flow is instantly restored, bringing that dying heart tissue back from the brink.